Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment key for the class 7th standard, and here we have the lesson Europe, and the subtopic is about European farms today, modern agriculture. So earlier we people are supposed to use about the bullock carts and some natural techniques for cultivation of the process, whereas the generation has been changed, some type of modern agriculture has been implemented. Coming to the first question, how European farmers to earn a good income? Yes, it's not only about the European, and also many countries have been gone through following about the modern agriculture. From that we have the first question here. The answer is about large holdings of mechanized farming enabled European farmers to earn a good income. What type of method it is, children? Mechanized, completely mechanized farming enabled European farmers to earn a good income. Why? Because by using about the machines, result is going to be taken within a short period. So because of that, the farmers are getting some income comparing to natural process. They live in the comfortable houses equipped with the modern amenities. And coming to the houses of comfort and completely modern amenities have been equipped in the farmers' houses. All houses have ladders or cellars to store meat, cheese and wine, and they are also stored in the large cold storages. Clear, children? So not only in the cold storages, they are going to store their food in the cellars, where they can store about the meat and the regular eatables. Farmers use new seeds and machines in the fields. They are completely, nowadays we people have been habituated for hybrid or hybridized seeds. Hybridized seeds. If we go through clearly in our country, from Green Revolution, we people have been using about hybridized seeds to get about the good result in a short period. Moving to the next question, children. Name the important crops of Southern Europe. So coming to the important crops in Southern Europe are, first one is about the barley, second one oats, third one rye, fourth one is about sugar, fifth one potato, and etc. And not only about these crops, children, they have been gone through using about different types of fruits for cultivation also. Clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. What are the modern agriculture in Europe? In Europe, agriculture is practiced and it is as a commercial enterprise, just as an industry. Completely they depended upon the agriculture. As why? Because the first industrialization has been raised from European countries. The agriculture technology they use also requires use of hybrid seeds. What type of seeds? Hybrid seeds and chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Most of them work in the industry or service sector like banks and transportation. In general, we have three types of sectors. The first one is about agriculture, second one is about industrial, and third one is about service. So most of the people here in European continent have been working in industry and service sectors like banks and transportation. The government pays them for carrying on agriculture in the village. So here completely the government is concerned for the agriculture process in European countries. Clear, children? I hope you understood the session. Have a nice day. Thank you.